Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to explain about the 3D formulas. 3D formulas are not the function but shortcut to writing function. Here I have some separate sheets for each account and different amount transactions. As you can see, we have cost of goods sold, expenses, material and non-op expenses. I want to get the total in this total sheet. The long way of writing is to write a separate function and refer each of these sheets. As you can see, I have done it here in the formula bar. The better way of writing this is to use a 3D formula. So we'll select the cell and we'll start off with is equal to sum function. In this case, I'm using sum because I'm adding the value, but you can use any other function depending on your requirement. So now let's go to the first sheet and select the range we want. So we'll go to this first sheet and we will select the range we want to add. We will add some extra range as we have some of our sheets have more data. Here comes the part that is important. Hold the shift key and go till the last tab you want to add. Take a look at the formula bar. It's going from cost of goods sold till non-op expenses, as you can see in the formula bar. Everything in the middle will be included. Now close the bracket and press enter and we get the same result here. The advantage of doing this way, that is dynamic. If I happen to have another account, I'm just gonna drop that in the middle somewhere and it will automatically be included. As you can see here, we have a different account which I have created earlier. If I drop this into the middle anywhere, you can see our total is been auto changed, because when we drop any sheet in the middle, it will automatically include in the total column. So this is the difference between my 3D formula version and my old version. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.